guys, Darren from venomfluidart. Thank you so much for joining me today on the Fluidart Express Christmas Special. Up first, you would have seen our amazing special guest this week, Nathan Lindsel from The Fine Art of Distraction. If you missed him, there'll be a link in the description. Go check him out. He's an absolutely amazing artist. And, you know, one of the best guys I've ever met in my entire life. So, check him out. After me today, we've got Kristey from Creations by Kristey, Shannon from ShanB Fluid Art, Bubbles from Venom Fluid Art, and last but not least, Tony and Kat from the Hippy Dippy Painter Man. All amazing artists, all absolutely gorgeous people. So thanks guys for being, you know, on this express with us for God knows how many years now. So I really appreciate yous all. Couldn't love yous more. Okie dokie. So because it's Christmas, we're in the process of moving house at the moment. So everything's packed up. So I am going through old colours that I've got laying around that's been there for years. And I'm just going to see if I can pull something out of my butt for Christmas. Kick back, relax, hear some tunes, and I'll see you at the end.
Oh, holy night, the stars are brightly shining. It is the night of our dear Savior's birth. Long lay the world in sin and error pining, till he appeared and the soul felt its worth. A thrill of hope, our weary world rejoices, for yonder breaks a new and glorious morn. Christ was born. Oh, night divine. Oh, night divine. Fall on your knees. Oh, hear the angel voices. Oh, night divine. Oh, night when Christ was born. Oh, night divine. All night divine. snow and mistletoe and presents under the tree. Christmas Eve you'll find me where the love light gleams. I'll be home for Christmas, if only in my dream. I'll be home for Christmas. You can count on me. Please have snow and mistletoe and presents under the tree. Christmas Eve you'll find me where the love light gleams. I'll be home for Christmas, if only in my dream.
I've been waiting all year long for something special. I was hoping you'd fly south with the birds. There's no snow this year, but hey, that's nothing new. What feels different now is I'm spending it with you. No matter what, every year feels the same. But you brought back that feeling that melted away. Something's been missing, but this year it changed. And now Christmas doesn't feel so far away. Years before this I would drive however far, just to look at lights and feel anything at all. I can't find the cold, but every year that's true. It just got warmer now that I'm sitting here with you. And no matter what, every year feels the same. But you brought back that feeling that melted away. Something's been missing, but this year it changed. And now Christmas doesn't feel so far away.
Alright guys, we'll do a flyover of that one. Man, that turned out so super cool. I love it. Okay, so up next we're going to have Kristey from Creations by Kristey. Click on her name in the title of the video, it'll take you to her channel. If you're in the live chat, just click on the link that I put in there, it'll take you to her premiere for today. And if you're a member of Paint Pouring by venomfluidart on Facebook, just use the play all list. It plays everybody on the Fluid Art Express, one after another. You don't get lost. That's the easy way. Alright guys, once again, thank you so much for joining us today for our Fluid Art Express Christmas special. We all hope that you have a wonderful Christmas and an even happier New Year. And thanks heaps for everybody that supported us throughout the year. We all truly, truly appreciate it. So, thank you. Alright guys, that's it from me. Hope Santa's good to ya. Have fun. Take care. I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.